We made it home safe from another camping trip. You know the trip isn't really finished until the cleanup and prep are done. So today I'm going to walk you through my full after camping routine, unpacking, cleaning, and making sure everything's ready for the next adventure. The first thing I always do when I get home is unpack. I take out anything that doesn't permanently live in the camper, dirty clothes, leftover food, and personal items. I use one laundry basket just for dirty clothes and towels. I always strip off the bedding and wash and dry it before every trip. I like to have clean bedding ready for the next adventure. Next, I empty the closets and make sure that I don't leave anything behind, taking out anything that does not permanently stay in the camper. It can look a little overwhelming when everything is piled up, but sorting it right away makes the rest of the process easier. The fridge is a big one. We always take everything out, wipe it down, and then leave the door propped open so it doesn't mildew or smell. Here you'll see me using the fridge lock to keep the door propped open. Now I'm removing all the food from the cabinets. I don't want to leave anything behind that might attract critters, especially mice. I like to do a quick wipe down of all of the surfaces inside the camper, especially the table and around the sink and stove, as well as the bathroom. This just keeps everything nice and fresh, and we don't have to do a lot of work when we start our next camping trip. I do a thorough sweeping job of the inside of the camper just to make sure that we get all dirt and debris up off of the floor. If the floor is extra dirty, I will sometimes mop or use a Swiffer wet jet just to get all the grime, especially if you're camping in a wet and muddy campground, you end up tracking in a lot of dirt. We always set the awning all the way out after a camping trip. This just to make sure that the awning gets to dry thoroughly. This prevents the awning from getting any type of mildew or mold. We also lay out any rugs or camping chairs that we use, just again to make sure that everything is good and dry before we put it away. We don't want anything getting moldy. And that's our basic after camping routine for the camper. It takes a little effort, but it keeps the camper in great shape, and it makes packing for the next trip a breeze. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more camping tips, and let us know in the comments what's on your after camping checklist.